Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Unscrew and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Then unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Next, unplug and remove CMOS battery. Now unscrew solid-state drive. Now disconnect speakers. Then unscrew and disconnect hard drive. Now unscrew and remove bracket, then disconnect display cable. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Next, disconnect and remove DC jack. Then unscrew and disconnect power button. Next, unscrew and disconnect heatsink. Now unscrew and disconnect motherboard. Next, unscrew and remove power button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.